Okay, guys. Not a weeb. I repeat, I am not a weeb. Okay? Yeah? Not, no. Not a weeb. Today we're going to be showing you how to get a free Bastion skin. Not a weeb. I repeat, I am not a weeb. So, hopefully I'm still recording, because I really should not have recorded that. Ah, God. So what you're gonna have to do is go to Bastion. To do this, you cannot so I believe you can use either Dawn or Classic. You could basically use any skins. I recommend Dawn and Classic. It mixes the best. So yeah, if you want the free skin, you have to enter the practice range. And it actually starts with not my favorite character. Not my favorite character. Not my favorite character. And then kill everyone. Not like everyone. If you can't really keep track of it. No, this glitch is not patched, and yes, you have to use Genji. Because if you don't like Genji, well, too bad. This will make you. This is not a scam to make you love Genji. He's already the most played. I mean, second, I guess, because Mercy's played way more, but whatever. He's already the best hero, everyone's favorite. Now that I've killed everyone that matters, because everyone else has probably already been killed, you have to do this. And of course, if it fails, you have to kill these two again. And you may say this is a boring process. It is. And you just have to keep on doing it until after the first time you failed. Okay. You have like a 3 times more likely chance if you ult first. That dash is a waste. And there it is. Now, kill this guy. Hopefully you didn't kill him for the dash. And dash in. Now, hover over Tracer and exit. Go to options, video, all the way down. Boom. Colorblind settings. Trip Bionia. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. Instantly click. Do this. You have it. Boom. Purple. See? You got the skin. May not look like it, but you're in the colorblind setting. Just go on anyone. Don't ask. Your friends may say no because, of course, it's a visual glitch. No one else is gonna see it. I give a strong recommendation to Blizzard to patch this. This is overpowered. It might be patched in days, actually. This is just OP, man. It also gives you aimbot. No, I'm not just running an illegal program in the background to aimbot. And no, no, I'm not. Did you guys hear that? That was scary. I'm home alone, but I don't really care because I let people in my house. Yeah, I'm also adopted. I'm not Timbo57, and I'm not Timbo has rabies. I am, repeat, not Timbo. Timbo has rabies, probably like a 40-year-old man, and the best Genji. Subscribe, and if you don't, kill yourself.